In this video, we will learn to add a custom button on the menu bar with the help of CSS. Hi, I am Alex from Essential Web Apps. And we make videos on WordPress, website and social media strategy, web design, and development. To see our regularly uploaded videos, please hit the subscribe buttons and click the bell icon for notification. I'm gonna add a Buy Now button in here. So, let's go to the dashboard, Appearance, and click on Menus. Add a custom link from here. You have to put your shop link in here. Save it. Refresh. Now we have a link here. But, not yet a button. Let's go back to the menus again. Click it to expand it. We have to put a class name in here. For that, click here, and check CSS classes. Now, you have a box to assign a class name. Let's assign a name, and save it. Now, we will go to Customize, then click on Additional CSS. Let's make some changes here to that class. If you know a little bit of CSS, you can do whatever you want. Or, you can follow us too. As we are making changes by CSS, you can see the output, live. Okay, I am happy with it. Let's click Publish. Then refresh. That's it. With some simple and quick tweaks, you can make your significant buttons more prominent on the page. So, there you go. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and share. If you want a professional WordPress theme for your business, please see the description. And I will see you in the next video.